Today is Workers' Day, saluting all the working men and women who toil for the betterment of our beautiful Zimbabwe. You are the living heroes of this great nation. Workers define the collective destiny of a nation. The dignity of any country is in the dignity of its working people. The reality is harsh. We commemorate the Workers' Day when over 80% of the working population is unemployed. Strikingly, 3.5 million youths are unemployed while 7.9 million people live in extreme poverty. The majority live below the poverty datum line of $575, while average wages at $275 fall short of meeting basic needs. Punitive tax thresholds starting at $100 leave little to support families, where a basket of basic goods is 6 times higher than the minimum wage. Every worker deserves to thrive in an inclusive Zimbabwe, where everyone has access to fair and dignified employment opportunities and a balanced work environment. In a new Great Zimbabwe, 1. Our citizens' government will put decent work agenda at the heart of our labor market policies. 1. We will elevate the TNF from the current talk show status to the prime policy formulation platform. No public policy will be implemented without passing through the TNF. 1. We will immediately grant public sector workers right to collective bargaining by ratifying and domesticating ILO Convention 151. 1. We will re-establish a living minimum wage through social dialogue. 4. We will allow workers to demonstrate and demand their rights. The idea of an inclusive Zimbabwe free from poverty, corruption, and oppression is the aspiration of all the citizens of Zimbabwe. In a Zimbabwe free from poverty, corruption, and oppression, the fruits of labor shall translate into economic progress for all. Every family shall have the chance to prosper, and the benefits of hard work shall enrich the entire nation. In a corruption-free Zimbabwe, the fruits of labor will fuel economic progress and boost economic prosperity, benefiting all families. Workers deserve the freedom to freely choose a government that serves them, making the resolution of August 2023, disputed elections, a crucial step towards recognizing workers' rights. Collectively, we must resolve the broken politics, disputed elections, and contested presidential office. An unelected government is unable and incapable of responding effectively to workers' demands. For this reason, an unelected and illegitimate administration is indeed a burden on the nation, particularly the workers. We must all be committed to resolving the political crisis and strive towards a new inclusive Zimbabwe where the dreams and aspirations of every working person can be realized. The aspirations of every hardworking individual align with the vision of a great, working, and prosperous Zimbabwe. I have good news for you, all the workers of Zimbabwe. Change is coming. We are doing everything within our power to make this a reality with immediacy and urgency.